It's a new 2019 Chevrolet Silverado 2500HD. This Silverado is never shy about flexing its solid steel muscle. You'll be anxious to put it to work. It comes nicely equipped with features you love: streaming audio, power heated mirrors, front heated and ventilated leather split bench seats, auto dimming rearview mirror, auto dimming mirrors, dual zone climate control, automatic transmission, trailer brake controller, electronic shift on the fly, and turbo V8 engine. Kelley Blue Book explains, whether purchasing for commercial construction, agriculture, or recreational towing, if your needs are truly heavy duty, you will likely find those needs met with the Chevrolet Silverado HD, which offers all of the virtues with few of the vices normally associated with a heavy duty truck. In a Chevy, the journey matters more than the destination. If you've been waiting for the perfect time for a test drive, the time is now. Experience it today.
Hall Automotive. More cars, great people. Hall Chevrolet Chesapeake, a MileOne company, is minutes off I-264 or I-664. Easy to get to from all of Hampton roads.